Facebookers, how you doing? This is Mark Mega Maestro again with another car update. The project Volkswagen CC. I have a little surprise for you. I put the engine in here a few weeks ago. Yes, my batteries are running low. Look at this. I put I swapped out the engine with the help of the Lord a few weeks ago, and I found out it was missing some actual bulbs. I already ordered the bulbs. Hopefully be here very soon. It is very cloudy outside, but what I had to do is I did a lot of research, a lot of praying, because the car wouldn't start, even though I had a key from another comfort control module that I put in. Apparently the car's computer was bad, so I had to buy the from another car. I had to buy the steering column lock, the computer, the key, and the comfort control module. And let me show you what happened. I'm happy to say that this car that did not start actually starts now. See that? The car's running. Isn't God good? The first time in my life I've ever swapped out the engine on any kind of car. This is the first car. It's a Volkswagen 2010 CC, and it works. I just have to clean it up because this car is so messy because of all the work I've been doing in it, but it works. Praise God. I just need to fix a few things. The check engine light is on. There's not enough water in the fluid for the windshield, and got some blinking lights here. I know what those are. I'll fix that later. But the car works, and you hear that? Isn't that a blessing? Let's check out the hood here. I think the hood is open. The car is running. See that? Car is running. It sounds good. Looks like oh wow. I might need to. Okay. All right. The car is running. Praise God. Alrighty. I'll talk to you guys later.